What are you going to say? What are you going to say? Really? Really? Can you look at the camera? Hey, Pickles, can you look at the camera? There you go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, what else? What else? What else? Oh my goodness. That was really loud. It was. Really? Are you going to scream again? Scream for Mummy. Really? Ah. 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 Oh my goodness. This is a great story. Was that the climax before to the story? Was it? Where's see those feet? And if you look down, oh, there's a sock. And if you go up the table here, there's the other sock. Because we can't keep those socks on, can we? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You're not camera shy anymore, are you? Yeah. Are we going to have more baby rice tonight? Mmm, yummy yum. Yummy yum. Why do you always look like I put you in there crooked? Yeah. Nice Bubbles. Nice Bubbles. You're so funny. Quite talkative you are. Quite talkative you are. Yes. You gotta say mama. 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 Hey you. Hi Grandma. Hi Grandpa. Say that. Should Mommy straighten you in your chair? I think I will.